Hey Brian, it's Scott Walker. We just spoke on the phone, and I'm making this video to show you how I've helped other auto glass companies to take leads from Safelite and other competition. I usually start with your website, go through with your Google Ads and Google business profile. So, starting with the website, first off, I love that you have a text, talk to a live person right here. I think that's awesome. But one thing I would really recommend for you is to have more content on your website. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see your content. Hey, that's you. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And what I call a buyer intent keyword is a location and a service. So like windshield replacement, Denver, or auto glass repair near me. The near me doesn't really count because it's not a location. So that's why I always go with the location attached, like Denver or areas around that. The other thing you could do is if you save your alternate text instead of it saying this mumbo jumbo here, it could be you could save it as that keyword because it is embedded behind the photo and counts as content. I use a tool called Ahrefs to kind of show me your analytics and where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, so you want those continuously moving up and also balanced. You're currently at 2 DR and 2 strength and 5 trust. And that's due to your referring pages and domains, which are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and also your location whenever humanly possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 62 keywords, but you're not getting very many people to your website, so your website's acting like a big digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool. Looking at some of those keywords that you're being indexed for, windshield chip repair Denver, that's a great one. Mobile auto glass Denver, those are good. Windshield replacement Denver, there's 900 searches here, but as you can see, you're on the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th page of Google, so you're never going to be really found for these types of keywords. So those are the ones that I like to go after. The higher volume with the lowest KD is usually the ones I go after first. Auto glass replacement Denver, Colorado, another one. So those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I like to rank your website for. And then I just did a quick search for windshield replacement Denver. Usually right up top, some Google ads happen, and the best way to get good click-through rates are a few things. One, to have as many of the keywords searched as possible inside the ad. So including Denver, windshield replacement, near me, you could do near me's for those. And then grouping your ad groups by theme, so that windshield replacement and windshield repair are two different ad groups, and then windshield replacement and auto glass replacement are different as well. And then for the landing page to have a good conversion rate, you want to click to call right up top, form submit, what you do, where you do it, and if you run any promotions, kind of that type of layout, with the background image being something along the lines of something that people are looking for. So if you do windshield replacement, have a windshield replacement background. If you're doing a car window, maybe have an auto repair or something like that. And then this is kind of the searches that you're looking at. So windshield replacement, there's almost 3,000 searches monthly just in your area, and this is strictly just Denver. That's not even the greater metro area. So 3,000 searches here, some repairs, some more replacements down here. So just getting in front of this many searches would really help your business grow, and that's kind of the Google ads for you. The next thing right here is going to be for your Google business profile. It's okay that you're not here right now, but there are lots of ways to get into the Google business profile. The first off, you can always make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. The next is getting reviews. I have a little cheat that I can help you get good reviews and multiple ones quickly. It's not really a cheat, it's just something I recommend to my clients. And then putting your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is beneficial because Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more, and that's not just in your local area, but in the surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Ads and Google Business Profile, about 70% of traffic stops right here for those different keywords. And then the rest of it goes into your website, and it looks like Denver Auto Glass is one of your top competitors for this. So looking at their website, they don't have too much content on here either. So when you have more content, better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations, you could start to outrank these guys. And to kind of give you an example of the different searches, for windshield replacement, there's 800. For windshield repair Denver, there's another 150. And as you can see, you know, like just amongst here, there's about 2,000 searches, maybe 1,800. But there's 2,600 searches just with Denver and windshield replacement or auto glass. So when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start to go to your website instead of theirs. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Brian, I hope that this was beneficial for you. If you like what you've seen and you want to talk more, let's set up a discovery call to see if we're a good fit. And if not, no harm, no foul. Thanks for your time, and you have a great day.